Hello everyone, this is Greg with Info USA 1. This is a quick video for something that gets searched for a lot, and that is a stop snoring mouthpiece review. Now first we need to answer the question very quickly, what is snoring to begin with? And snoring happens when you can't move air freely through your nose and throat area during sleep. This makes the surrounding tissue vibrate, and it is what causes that very familiar snoring sound. Now, it is constantly the subject of jokes, but there can be health issues for the individual. But the biggest issue by far for most people is that it can create really serious problems in a relationship. Now, there are all kinds of snoring devices out there, all kinds of gimmicks, but what consistently gets rated as the best tool to stop snoring is an anti-snoring mouthpiece. Now, it works by holding your tongue and jaw in a set position to eliminate that vibration while you're sleeping. There are many dentists out there who say they can mold you a custom anti-snoring mouthpiece, and then they want to charge you well over $1,000 for it. But there is a very affordable mouthpiece that has received great customer reviews. It is created by a company called Sleep Tight. Now, it was created by a dentist named Dr. Mike Williams. He has over 30 years of experience, and he needed to find a solution for his own snoring. The Sleep Tight mouthpiece can be easily custom molded to fit your own individual mouth. And with the Sleep Tight mouthpiece, you can stop snoring the very same night you receive it. Again, a simple mouthpiece is one of the simplest things that you can do to stop snoring immediately once you begin using it. And with the custom fit, and once you get accustomed to using it, you'll even forget that you are wearing it while you're sleeping. The Sleep Tight mouthpiece is very affordable, and right below this video we've put a link to their official website where you can get more information, including a no obligation 30-day trial. Click the link below to visit their website now. Again, this has been a quick video for an anti-snoring mouthpiece review.